Hi everyone, in this lesson we will create the smaller tube to contain our lower basket. Let's enter sketch mode to create our path, hitting L for line, and let's sketch on our XY plane. Recall that our large tube made its turn on this endpoint. This means our path should terminate here as well. So let's left click. Head over here, hit escape. We need a reference, so let's hit P for project and project this edge. Hit OK. Let's add a parallel constraint, selecting this projected line and our newly created line. Hitting escape. Hit L for line. Let's create another line terminating on this endpoint. But first, let's hit P for project. Project this endpoint, hit L for line, and left click here, hit escape, and let's have this line collinear with this line. So let's select our collinear constraint, selecting our line and this sketch line. Hitting escape, hitting T for trim. Let's trim this excess piece. Hit S for sketch shortcuts and let's grab our fillet. Selecting this line and this line, key in 20. Selecting stop sketch. Let's create our profile. Let's sketch our profile on this face. So selecting this face, hit C for circle, hit P for project, and let's project this endpoint. Hit OK, hit C once more to grab our circle. Diameter for this smaller tube to be 10. And from here, I can hit S to grab our sketch shortcuts, typing SW, selecting sweep, although I have typed WE. Selecting our profile, activating our path, selecting this path, operation to be new body, and hit OK. So here's our smaller tube. Let's head to left view with our newly created body. Let's hit M for move. Let's move this body. Moving this to the right. Let's be exact. I'm going to key in 75. Hitting enter. And finally, let's mirror this body to the other side. Typing S for model shortcuts. Typing MI. Selecting mirror. Of course, the pattern type to be bodies, selecting our body. 15, activating our mirror plane, selecting our XY plane, and hit OK. Let's reinforce these tubes by creating another tube here. Let's select this face, hit L for line, and we need a reference, so hit P for project. Let's project this endpoint. Hitting OK. Head to left view. Re-grab our line. Left click here. Going here. Hit escape. Let's make this line horizontal. So selecting this line and right click. Selecting horizontal, vertical. Reselect this line and our endpoint. Right click and select midpoint. Let's now select stop sketch. Select this face to create our circular profile. Let's now hit C to enter sketch mode. Select this endpoint as our center point. Typing 10. Hit S to grab our sketch shortcuts. Typing SW. Selecting sweep. Selecting our circular profiles. Activating our path, selecting this path, operation new body, Hitting OK. Let's select this body, hit V to turn its visibility off. Same here, hitting V. And let's turn on the visibility of our tube large. And our lower section of our cart is looking nice. In the next video, we will create a stopper here, again using the sweep command.